Hi folks, it's Terry from Terry's O Gauge Trains, back with another video. What you're looking at is a package that arrived yesterday from Derek Fadden over at Papaville O Gauge Trains. And he sent me this package. He said he was going to enclose in it, I know one of the things is a pre-war motor to a Marx M10000 that he picked up. And he said the motor needed basically rebuilt. And he has so many projects on his bench that he can't get to it. So he reached out to me and asked if I could try to work on it for him. I said, "Yeah, sure, send it out." I have not looked at the motor. All I know is he said it is not in running order. So I've already opened the box, cut it open for expedience. So I'm going to pause the video. We're going to look inside and see what we got. Okay, we got packing material. This newspaper out of the way. The foam. Oh, looky here. Papaville O Gauge Train shirts and stickers. We got 2 stickers, 3, 4, 5, 6 stickers. So that's 3 for me and 3 for my nephew Shannon. There is the motor. I'll set that over there for now. And one black Papaville shirt. So you can see it. A large. I'll give that to my nephew Shannon. And an orange large one. I think I'll keep the orange one for myself. Okay. Now let's take a look at this motor here. I'll pause again while I take it out of the package because I don't have 2 free hands and my camera stand is not working. It got damaged. Well, here is the motor, and I can see right off the bat why it wouldn't have been running. As you see here, this little thing here is the contact for the switch. It makes contact when the power comes on, and it has been completely separated from the contact plate here. And it looks like somebody's been doing some wiring. The tape's coming off. The insulation came off the wiring that goes to the brush plate. And let's see how the other side looks. Oh yeah. Now, I don't know if this happened in with that off. As you see, this lever switches this little thing that just fell off completely from one contact to the other to make it go forward and reverse. Well, there's no way I can get that going without replacing this. But fortunately, Derek, you're in luck. Reach over here. This is the same motor. I'll switch around. It's an identical motor except for the post-war wheels on the back. And this came out of my kit bash trolley. Hold on here. There's the body it was in. Some of you may remember it from some of my videos. So what I think the most expedient way to do this, and I don't know when I'll be able to get to it because we had a death in the family. On Easter Sunday, my mother-in-law passed, and my wife's taking that real hard, so I haven't had any real time to work on trains, at least for the time being. But this motor is identical to this one, with the exception of a front motor mount weight and the wheels. So I think the easiest way to fix this for Derek, and the fastest to get it back to him, is to swap the 2 rear wheels, the rear wheels on the motor, put the motor weight on mine, and then pack it up and send it back to him, and he will have, because he wanted an original pre-war motor, as original as possible, and it will be original. And then if he's agreeable, I'll just keep his old motor for parts and tinker around with it at some point, see if I can't get it running. So that's where we are. And Derek, if you watch this video, that's what I'm going to try to do for you. Again, I will try to get it out to you as soon as possible. And I'm going to shoot you an email about the motor trade. again, that's going to be it for this video. We'll try to come back with a follow-up video, or maybe Derek can, when he gets his motor back, we'll do a follow-up video on it in his M10000. So that'll be all for now. This is Terry at Terry's O Gauge Trains saying thank you for watching.